everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I'm going to clean some makeup brushes. These are old, makeup brushes. I'm going to throw away a few, and some I may keep, because you guys know that I do have new makeup brushes that I have not used yet. So some of these brushes I will throw away, and I'm just gonna go through it to keep my best ones here, and the ones that and I also bought some crazy glue, which I am going to glue back together, because these are some good elf brushes here. Good, they still good. Okay, here's another elf brush. Okay, these are elf brushes. And let me see, trying to see if this is an elf brush. I don't think this is an elf brush, so I'm going to clean this one. I'm going to keep this one. Going to keep this one. Going to throw away this one. I'm going to keep this one. Keep this one. This is really not a makeup brush, but I will be keeping it. It is a paintbrush. This is a fan brush, which I am going to keep. This is another elf brush that I am going to keep. Going to keep this one, throw away this one. I'm going to throw away all these, because I've had these for years, so I'm going to throw them away. I'm going to keep this one. This is an elf brush. Throw this away. Throw these away. Going to keep this one. This is an elf brush. I'm going to keep this one. Keep this one. This is an elf brush also too. I'm going to keep this one. To keep this one. This one is still good. I'm going to keep this one. Going to keep this one. Going to keep this one. these I am going to throw away. So, we're going to start cleaning the brushes. I'm not going to clean them all on camera, but I'm just going to clean a few. And I am going to use the Palmolive Oxy Clean. It removes all kinds of grease within your brushes. So this is a power degreaser, Palmolive Oxy. So let's get started. Now this is supposed to be white at the tip. So let's see how clean we can get it. Alrighty. White. One more, and I'm just going to do the rest of them, you know, off camera. Let's see. This is an elf brush, so let's get this clean. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys what I got them laid on to dry. Okay, I got them over in the styrofoam top of a plate. And I got them, you know, sitting like this, so therefore the water will drain, you know, downwards. Alrighty. So I'm going to do the rest off camera. I just wanted to show you a little quick something, you know, how I clean my brushes. Okay, everybody, I am back. I am through cleaning my makeup brushes, and I got them tilted downward so that they can dry. And I'm going to leave these like this overnight until they are fully dried. And these are pretty much my everyday makeup brushes that I use practically, you know, every day. Okay, they are clean, and these are the brushes that I am going to throw away. I don't need them anymore, so I'm going to throw these away. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.